This is one of our new Tibaldi fountain pens that we just added to stock. We added 4 different pen collections. And they all come with this red sleeve with the black interior box. The Tibaldi name is embossed on the red sleeve along with the pen information and this sticker here. You can just push one end of the box in and the box comes out the other side. So you don't have to remove that red sleeve and just stay on. Inside you'll see your Tibaldi fountain pen. This is the Infrangibile Fountain Pens, and that is probably a massive mispronunciation since this is an authentically Italian fountain pen from a pen company that's been making pens for, I believe, over a century. And it's an authentic Italian name. So, not being an Italian speaker, I'm fairly positive that I am not pronouncing that correctly, but the pens are beautiful, and they do have a resin body and a resin cap. The bodies are a solid resin, and the caps have the swirls of contrasting color. This one is the chrome yellow version of the pen. This pen design was intended to reflect the golden age style of the 1930s, but it's a modern take on some of those classic elements that so many people love. It's got a gorgeous pen body shape, just a lovely classic look and silhouette there. The resin is glossy, and it's got shiny steel accents. The pen does come in different colors, and I'll show you a couple different color options here in a minute. The cap is a screw-on cap. The pen clip is a standard spring metal. So the screw-on cap comes right off. You have your stainless steel nib with your ebonite feeder. The stainless steel nib is branded with the Tibaldi name and logo. The cartridge, it's a cartridge converter fountain pen made in Italy, as I already said, and your pen will arrive already fitted with an ink converter. And the ink converters are also branded with the Tibaldi name here at the top on that silver portion. But you can either use the ink cartridges that are included with the pen. It comes with 2 ink cartridges, or you can use any bottled fountain pen ink that is safe for use with fountain pens using this ink converter. And also, this pen will take standard international size ink cartridges. This pen collection is available in the fountain pen or a ballpoint pen or a roller ball pen. And then, as you can see, all of them have the solid color black resin body with the colored pen cap, and this one is, the color name is taupe gray. And then you also have the mauve red, and then you also have the chrome yellow. So if you're interested in learning more about this pen collection or about Tibaldi pen collections in general, visit us at penchalet.com.